Good morning students. This is just to write the circuit diagram for the given Boolean expression using only NAND gate. Using only NAND gate. This is also made possible for 2 marks question, but till now it was not there in any of the paper. This we have done simplification. That means they will give one Boolean expression that you need to simplify. This have been already been explained. Once again I am explaining. See here A complement B among these two common is there. So I have taken the common variable out. A complement B into C plus C complement. Plus here AB complement is a common. So I have taken the common variable AB complement. So I got C complement C. Then if I C plus C complement, x plus x complement can be written as 1 and any variable get multiplied with 1, you will get a 1. So the simplified expression directly I have been written. For this, whatever you got, the final simplified expression, we need to write a true, that means circuit diagram using only NAND gate. It's this not with a basic gate. We are using with a universal gate. How to write the NAND gate? This is your NAND gate. A into B whole complement. And do you remember your realization of basic gates? Here plus is there. I need to realize using a NAND gate with the OR gate. I need to get the result with the OR gate. That I have been already done with the NAND gate using your OR gate in the realization gate. The same technique we are applying here. Here A into A I have been given. That means I need A complement. For the output I need A complement. So I have taken the A that I have given into the NAND gate, the first circuit. I got A into A complement. X into X can be written as X. So X into X complement can be written as X complement. This is your realization of your NOT gate. Similarly, A into A complement can be written as A complement. So here A into A whole bar can be written as A complement. So I got the A complement. B, there is no any complementation. So I have given directly to the circuit. And AND takes how many minimum input? 2 minimum inputs. So this I got. Similarly here how I have been written A into B complement, but A I have given in the form of complement. So I got the A complement into B whole complement. Similarly, in the second term, A doesn't have a complement, only B has a complement. Similarly, what I have given for the A, for the second circuit I have given for the B. So I got the B complement. Now I am applying the NAND with the fourth circuit, circuit 2 and circuit 3 we are giving into the circuit 4. See here, A complement into B whole complement. Here what I got? A into B B complement whole complement. Same I am giving into the circuit. The first input is this one and the second input is this one. Before outputting, what is there? Bubble is there. So I got the complete whole complement. So what I got? I got A complement into B whole complement as a first input. A into B complement whole complement as a second input. That I have been given. Between what you got? Multiplication you got. But what I need with the plus symbol. What you should do here? Apply your De Morgan's law. Apply your De Morgan's law. Do you remember De Morgan's law? X into Y whole complement can be written as X complement plus Y complement. So split the expression A bar into B whole bar. One more bar, that means this dot will be replaced with the plus A into B complement. One complement is already there. The over bar gets split. Do you remember X double dash can be written as X? Yes. These two double dash can be cancelled. What you got? A complement B plus A B complement. Did you got your expression? Yes. But we have applied the circuit diagram. Which one? NAND gate to get the expression. Whatever you have been given, that you need to get as an output using NAND gate only. NAND gate only. Okay. This is the first one I have been solved. Second one, only expression given, just drawing the diagram. That's all. You just try that one with the classwork. And the third one, according to the classwork, I am going to explain. Here also they have given one expression. Simplify the expression that I got here. So before going to that, I just explain you how you got 0. C into x complement can be written as 0 with your complementary law. So C into C bar can be written as 0. Any variable gets multiplied with a 0, you will get the 0. And there is no any common variable among these two. So having written the C. There is a common variable C. If I take the C and I will not get any Boolean theorem expression. So that there is no any common variable to get in the form of Boolean expression. So I am not going to use that one. But these two terms will become 0 when I simplify. So I got finally this expression. So you can use B either in this form or directly while giving the input, take the input symbol itself as a complement. If the B value is 0 means you are inputting what? 1. That's all. Opposite value you are giving. So I have taken A, B complement C for the first circuit, whatever it is given in the first term. And the second term contains A complement B, C. I have been given. So similarly, whatever we got, similarly here we got. Now what you should apply? Yes, De Morgan's theorem you need to apply here. Apply the De Morgan's theorem, double dash, this dot will become plus A complement B C, whole 1 bar before itself is there and whole bar it will come like this. Then x double dash can be written as x, so these two double dash gets cancelled. What you will get? A B complement C plus A complement B C. You got your expression what you have inputted? Yes, this is how you need to write the circuit diagram using only NAND gate. One more is there and that also simplified form. Whatever it was been, just two variables ma'am. Take the two variables and simplify using your De Morgan's. Please remember plus. You need to take NAND gate only. If you want to get back with the dot, then you need to go for the OR gate. That is your NOR gate. So we are not going with a NOR gate circuit diagram. Just it was given only your practice purpose. Only NAND gate students. This finishes your complete Boolean algebra and logic gates. This is belongs to your logic gates. So the previous one what we did, that is your Boolean algebra. This is belongs to your logic gates. May expected question for 3 marks. Thank you students.